Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to share your Google Form link. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here at docs.google.com/forms. This is the main page that you want to open up, and once you do open it up, we can get started with the home page right here in the upper right corner. First things first, we're going to log into our account. So if you do not already have a Google account, you can go and sign up for a new one. If you have one, you can just log in normally, and once you're logged in, now we can get started. So this is going to be the home page where we can get started creating a new form. We can take a look at all the forms we have already created right here and so on. And if you want to go and get started creating a form, just click the plus button right here. This is going to open up this new form where you can give it a name, you can give it a description, you can ask any questions you have, give the answers, and so on. So once you have created your form, it's going to appear right here in your recent form. So as you can see here, I have created a form called a tutorial form for a video. I have my question as well as the answers that people can answer and so on. So how do I share the link of my Google form to people so that they can access it and then give me answers? Well, it's very easy, and all we need to do is just publish our form. To publish your form, here in the upper right corner, you can get started clicking the publish button. As you can see, we also have the option right here to copy the responder link. So you can also copy this link. As you can see, nobody can currently respond because it's unpublished. So first things first, you want to publish the form. So from this section right here, you can click the publish button. Once you have published it, then you can go ahead and copy the link right here and send it to people that will then be able to access your form and give you answers, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.